Knowing how a typical mechanical watch works will help you with the assembly process. Depends if your watch has a screw-down crown. You may need to unscrew the crown first. The crown can be in 3 or 2 positions, depending on whether you have a date watch movement. Pull the crown on the way out. You will be at the time setting position. And a 36 movements have a hacking function, which stops the second hand when you set time. This allows you to set the time more precisely. Fully pulsed in, the movement is in the winding position. This is where you can wind up the movement. Wind the watch approximately 20 to 40 times to achieve full power reserve, which lasts at least 40 hours. Pull the crown on the way in and then gently pull it out to the first position, like this. This is where the day and date is set. If I haven't worn my watch for a long time, or I'm not sure if it shows 10 a.m. or 10 p.m. In this case, set the hour hand to the 12 o'clock position. The day didn't transition, so it should be around noon and not around midnight. In this case, I can continue to adjust the date. To 12 nights, the day automatically jumps. Keep setting the time until the hour jumps 2 times automatically. Then we rotate up to adjust the day, and rotate down to adjust the date. For movements without hands, I recommend not setting the date at all. I'll let you know how to tell if the date mechanism is activated. The big rotating part on the back is the rotor. This is what happens when the clock winds up for us as we move. Some of us have a habit of taking the watch off while working or have a lifestyle in which we don't move our wrist much. This may result in the watch not wanting sufficient through our wrist movements. So if you notice that your watch occasionally stops, you may want to manually wind it when you wear the watch in the morning. I have a habit of blowing the wire a few times and confirming the time before setting off in the morning. For watches with a screw-down crown, remember to turn the crown back so your watch is water resistant. Remember to like and subscribe for more watchmaking tutorial and tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.